Hello, my people. How na day? Welcome to Bible Gist Naija. Where the gist Bible matter for pidgin, as it is sweet like jollof rice. Yes, last time on Bible Gist Naija, I gist on about how God take make light show. As he just talks to me light show 2 seconds, light show. And today our gist now to tell you about wetin God create for day 2 and day 3, and that you go fit find the full gist for Bible for Genesis chapter 1 from verse 6 to verse 13. So as I always recommend, I go tell you say may you go checkmate Bible, may you see wetin Genesis chapter 1 from verse 6 to 13 talk about. So right about now, make we enter today gist. So as Papa God make the light finish for day 1, e come be like say the light come make everywhere come shine, everything come bright and beautiful. E come dey see many things wey no suppose be. Now you dey say dis place scatter, dis place dey rough, e no suppose be like dis. Now im reason am say okay make im start with water. Water just full everywhere. Now im talk say oya water, some of una begin dey fly dey go up now. As im just talk am 2 seconds, you say you dey near Baba God na, so you for see how the water dem just dey fly, dey run, dey go up. As e don reach the level wey e want, now e say you don do oya stay there, make you position there, make some of una form cloud, make some of una form rain. So na that side now im come call the sky, because say na there the cloud and the rain go dey. Then the remaining part, the remaining ones dem wey dey for ground, im come say those ones now go be like Waterside. So this one na wetin dey happen for day 2 as God take dey create things. So na so we take get the sky where you see say rain dey fall now. We fit dey fly kite. Those times wey we dey small, you know how we dey fly, we go arrange kite finish, na carry am dey run, e go dey fly. Just imagine say sky no dey, something like sky no dey. That one be say as you just dey come out now every day for your house, water go just dey pour on top your body free of charge. Na that time you go understand that song wey some churches dey sing say it is raining all around me, I can feel the latter rain, ride on Jesus, give us more rain until we are wet, until we are soaked with the latter rain. Now if you understand that latter rain, like say Baba God no make sky, if you experience that latter rain well, no be just sing before they sing. As they sing the latter rain, and so if they shower on you, before they confirm am. So now wetin God create for day 2 be this. So e no stop there. As the next day break, enter day 3, na so him begin work again. Him begin dey observe, dey look things and things wey him go fit align to do well. So na so him come look ground again. Him come say, but e for make sense say I shift this water then go one side. So as him talk like that, boom, na so land show. As the land show, so now Baba God say, hey, I don do something now. At least some of my children dem for River State, inside one area for Port Harcourt, so go get land wey dem fit dey sell. So na so the whole land thing take start o. This na day 3, na so the whole land thing take start, wey you see say some people inside River State dey sell land anyhow. You understand? So na wetin God do be that, and he see am, he look am say okay, e make sense. This land wey come on board, so e make sense, make e be like that. So Baba God come name the dry land earth, then the water side him come call am sea and or river. So na so we take get land and river today wey we dey see so. Then e no waste time, as Baba God see say the river wey him don separate from the dry land make sense. 2 seconds, na so him make everywhere begin dey green. Everywhere just dey green. Na so trees begin dey grow. Grass, mango, Agbalumo, Ugwu, onion, everything just dey grow. So the next time wey you dey chop suya with onion, or you dey lick orange and mango, make you know say na for day 3 of the creation wey Baba God do all those things. So my people, na so day 2 and day 3 take play o. Na inside day 2 and day 3 na Baba God take create the cloud, the rain, separate the ground from water, give us sky, give us river, give us sea. Na inside day 2 and day 3 Baba God do all these things. He look all these things and he see say e make sense. Now he say okay, I go retire here for the day, I go continue the next day. So now here we go end today gist. I know say e dey totori you the way e dey sweet me as I take dey give you the gist too. So as e dey sweet you like this, no forget to follow the channel. If na subscribe show for your screen, make you subscribe, like, comment, share this video with your guys, share with your family and friends. Dis na Bible Gist Naija o. Dis na Bible wey sabi. So before we go again, I go like make you drop your comments inside the comment section. With pidgin o, no make mistake. Tell us wetin be your best fruit. I go see the first person wey go say na Ugwu. Ugwu na im be im best fruit. Till the next episode, God bless you.